all of the features of nonfiction. That's one of our objectives in second grade. And then the whole goal is that they are taking the knowledge of nonfiction, what they've learned, and applying it into our activity where they're actually using that chart and that graph, identifying all those parts and matching them up. They get so excited and they want to show everybody at their table that they found a jawbone of a shrew, or they really like the teeth of the rats. And they tear into that owl pellet and have such a good time. One of them found a huge feather, which that's the first time I'd ever seen a feather, especially that big. And the most amazing thing that they love to find out is that
they cannot digest bones or fur or even feathers. They regurgitate them in an owl pellet. If you dissect them, you can see what they had for dinner. I got to see all of those cool bones. They eat mice, rodents, and even snakes. Barn owls can eat up to 1,000 mice a year. They can move anywhere but Antarctica. They have twice the amount of a human's vertebrates in their neck. They have 14 vertebrates that make them turn their head around.
Nonfiction text has the following: charts, graphs, facts, maps. All of those are nonfiction features and nonfiction books.